Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you how we can customize or adjust the pointer size on your iPhone. So let's see the size of our pointer right now. So this is my pointer, you can see and take a look on the size. Now let's just resize in it. Go click the settings. Now we just need to scroll all the way down, and then you just need to tap into accessibility. In this accessibility, you just need to scrolling down again until you got the pointer control of right here. Just go tap it. The next, there could be a pointer size right here. If you want to make it bigger, you just need to drag this point into the right side. And now let's just see the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.